Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Sip and App. Now, I might not know much about sports, but I do know how to score big with your game day snacks. These fried potato mozzarella balls are crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and did I mention that cheese pull? They're guaranteed to be the MVP of your snack table. So let's dive right in. We're starting with the caramelized onions to add the rich, sweet flavor to your mashed potato base. If you've seen some of my other recipes, you already know about my simple time-saving trick every time I make caramelized onions, which is to dice your onions and microwave them with a pat of butter for about 5 minutes. This softens them up beautifully and cuts down on sautéing time. After microwaving, transfer them to a pan and cook on medium-low heat until they're golden brown and fragrant. Set them aside to cool and let's move on to the potatoes. After peeling and dicing them, I prefer steaming my potatoes for about 12 minutes as it keeps them light and fluffy, but you can boil them if you prefer. While the potatoes are steaming, let's talk cheese. I am using these mini mozzarella pearls, which seem to work best for this recipe. But if you can't find them, cut a regular sized mozzarella cheese and cut it into small chunks. We're also going to chop up some parsley for that fresh pop of flavor. And here is the rest of the ingredients. Once the potatoes are fully cooked, dump them into a big bowl and mash them until smooth while they're still hot. And then stir in the salt, pepper, garlic powder, sour cream, caramelized onions, and parsley. Mix until everything is well combined. Next, take a small scoop of the mashed potato mixture and flatten it slightly in your palm. Place the mozzarella pearl in the center, then gently wrap the potato mixture around it, rolling it into a smooth ball. Make sure the cheese is fully enclosed with an even layer of potatoes. This helps prevent any melty surprises from leaking into the hot oil when frying later. Repeat the process until all the potatoes are used up. Now this next step is optional, but at this point I like to rest my potato balls in the fridge for about an hour. If you are making these ahead of time, this will be a good place to stop, cover them up, and refrigerate for up to 3 days. While they're resting, prepare the classic breading trio of flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs. Simply roll each ball through the flour, dip it into the egg, and then coat it evenly with the breadcrumbs. And make sure you have one hand for the flour and breadcrumbs and the other for eggs. Otherwise, you'll end up breading your own fingers. After you finish coating all the balls, it's time to heat up your oil. My preferred choice of oil is avocado oil for frying because of its high smoke point, but use whatever works best for you. Fry the balls in small batches over medium heat until they're golden brown. Each batch should only take a few minutes to fry. And be careful not to leave them in the oil for too long as the cheese may start to ooze out. Finally, place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. And there you have it. These potato mozzarella balls are a game-changing snack that will leave ordinary mozzarella sticks in the dust. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce and watch them disappear faster than a touchdown celebration. As for sipping suggestions, I'm enjoying mine today with a sparkling fruity drink, but these will pair perfectly with any beer or soda. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Cheers!